Hello and welcome. Today we will see what is on delay and off delay timer in the PLC programming. Now let us start. So on delay timer means output of this timer it will get on after delay time. Okay, so and in the off delay timer output of this timer it will get off after the delay time. Okay, so now let us come back to on delay timer again. So the basic structure of on delay timer instruction, it has input means where we can connect input, it has output, so this is the output of the timer. PT means preset time, so here we have to give the time set point so that our output it will get on after this set point. ET means elapsed time, so elapsed time means it will show the current elapsed time after timer get initiated. Okay, so if we see the timing diagram of this on delay timer, when input get on, our delay time starts, our timer starts, and after execution of this particular time our output it will get on. Okay, and it will be remain on until our input is on. So once our input goes to 0, our output will also goes to 0. So like this, if we see here also, this is the same timing diagram of this thing. So if our input goes on, our delay time will start. After execution of this delay time, our output it will get on, and again it will get off once our input is goes to 0. So like this, what we can do, we can see the off delay timer. So basic structure of off delay timer, it is one and the same like on delay timer. So here we can connect input, here it is the time set point, this is our output, and this is the elapsed time, preset time and elapsed time. So if we see the timing diagram of this off delay timer, if input starts, our output is also get 1. Our output is also getting 1. Once our input goes to 0, our off delay timer, whatever time we have given in the preset time, it starts from this thing and it will be, so once this time over, our output will goes to 0. Okay, so if our input goes to 1, our output is also goes to 1 here, which was different in the on delay timer. Our after this delay our output get on, and once our input goes to 0, our output will be 1 and it will be going to 0 after this time. So once this time over, our output goes to 0. So this is the main difference between on delay timer and off delay timer. Now what we will do, we will go to the PLC and we will see how we can use this on delay timer and off delay timer. So now let us take from the instruction pan, we can take on delay timer. So we will give name on DT. So here we can give time set point, and here we can give input to initiate this timer. So now what we will do, we will add 1 dB start. on delay start on delay, and this time we will give fixed t hash 5 seconds. So format of this pt, it should be in the t hash whatever time we have to put here. So now we have set it 5 seconds. If we want to set it 10 seconds, like this we can set it, but now at the moment we will put it as a 5 seconds. So this elapsed times, when timer starts it will show the elapsed time if we connect the tag here. Okay, now what we will do, we will take off delay timer as well here, of dt, of dt. So we will attach here another tag, start of dt. Start of dt t hash 3 seconds. Okay, now what we will do, we will download this thing in the PLC and we will check it. Okay, so if I start this on delay timer input, okay, what we will do, we will also connect some output here. On dt out, of dt out. On dt out, of dt out. So now we will download it into the PLC. So if we start this on delay input, output will get on after this 5 seconds. Here you can see the execution time. Okay, if I make it 0, at the same time our output will be 0. Okay, now in the off delay timer, if I start the input, output will get on immediately. Okay, output gets on immediately, and it will be on if I make it 0 for the after. If I make it 0, it will be remain on for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is our output. It will be it was on after I make it this start condition 0 for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is the on delay timer and off delay timer. Now what we will do, we will see how we can use this on delay and off delay timer in the process application. Okay, now what we will do, now let's say there is one vessel and there is one pump, and in between vessel and pump there is a pneumatic valve. Okay, so we will take pump, we will take some tank, we will take some pneumatic valve, valve. Okay, so if I start the pump sorry, so now what we'll do, to start this process we will give some push button. So this button is to start the process, and this guy is for stop the process. So if I start the process, initially pneumatic valve should get on, and then after some delay time our pump should get on. If I stop the process, pump should get off immediately, and after some delay time our pneumatic valve it should get off. So by this application we can use off delay timer for this pneumatic valve and on delay timer for the this pump. Okay, so what we will do to make it clear, we will attach some pipe here, pipes, pipes. Okay, so if we start the process, our pump will start after taking some delay, and our pneumatic valve it should be get on immediately. So why this is, because it will not generate any pressure in the pipeline or in the vessel. So to avoid this we can use the delay time. Okay, so for the pump we can use on delay timer, and for the pneumatic valve we can use off delay timer. So what we will do, so here we will add one tag, start process, pump out, valve out. So we will attach same tag here, db start the process. So if we start the process, both the timer it will start immediately, and here db pump output, and here db dot valve output. So if we start the process, our pump will get on after taking this 5 seconds, and if we start this process, the immediately our pneumatic valve it will get on, and after taking this delay time it will go off, so that in the process it will not generate it will not generate any pressure. Okay, so what we will do, we have to attach the tags to this our setup. So here we will set the process from the set the bit of that process, start the process, and here we will reset the bit, that process bit. Okay, and also what we will do, to the start button we will give some animation so that we will come to know that this our process is on. So if the value of that bit is 0, it will be gray, and it will turn green when that our process it start. Okay, so here yeah, it is already connected. So here it is set, here it is reset. Okay, so for pneumatic valve we will give visibility animation. So this green wall it will be on when our wall output is on, and this red is 0 when our tag goes, when our wall output goes to 0, this our red wall it will be visible. So in this way we can show green and red color. So like this, for the pump also we will use same thing. For the green we will give pump output. When pump output is 1, our green guy will be visible, and when our pump output is 0, our red pump is visible. So here pump output. Okay, now we will overlap this. Okay, we will save. So we will download the PLC code first into the PLC. Okay, start process. So here 5 seconds we are giving delay time to start pump, and 3 seconds to our wall, so that after 3 seconds our wall will get off. So here we will save and we will start the simulation. So this simulation is on. Okay, so if I hit the start button, immediately pneumatic valve it should get on, and after some time our pump should get on. Pneumatic valve started. After 5 seconds pump started. If I stop it, immediately pump should stop, and after taking delay our pneumatic valve it should get off. Pump get off immediately, and after 3 seconds, yeah, after 3 seconds you can see the status here as well on the left hand side. Start, pneumatic valve started after taking some delay time, pump start. If I stop it, pump will stop it immediately, and after taking some delay, valve will get off. See, it is off. Pneumatic valve is also get off. Thank you.